outside. We are outside doing the 4th of July celebration. And Jeremy's sitting over there. What? There wasn't that bench that Kristen was sitting on. Jeremy's fixing to do cannons and everything else. There's Chris over there too. And over here's Bit Bit. She brought, show the little things.
There's a fountain.
Oh, there's a fountain. There's Nova. He's been playing with lightning bugs.
I like that one.
What is it? Oh boy. Wow,
Look
Nova.
what I found over there.
Yeah, that's Kristen's junk.
Well, whose was that?
What?
I like to see the fireworks myself.
Yeah. Kristen, here.